Here is a beautiful suggestion to make this the most spiritual Diwali of your life. When Bhagwan Ram was banished into the forest for 14 long years, the residents of Ayodhya were plunged into an ocean of despair. Likewise, in our ignorance, we have exiled God and God consciousness from our hearts. And we experience despair, pessimism, and negativity. When Ram returned, the Awadhvasis welcomed him by illuminating the entire city. Let us also welcome God back to our heart by praying to Him for His grace that He may ignite within the lamp of love, the lamp of knowledge, the lamp of positivity, of hope, of kindness and compassion.
कण कण में बसे हो राम, हे राम, कण कण में बसे हो राम। जय सिया राम, जय सिया राम, जय सिया राम, जय सिया राम, जय सिया राम।